silent breathing, hidden wounds we never named, trembling hands held in the shadows, carrying both hope and shame. Through the night of unseen sorrow, we could barely lift our eyes. Still a flame refused to vanish, burning softly in disguise.
At the cross we laid our questions, not in fear but longing grace, where the broken met compassion. Mercy looked us in the face.
Every scar became a doorway, every tear a sacred stream. Love was whispering forgiveness, more than we had dared to dream. And the silence started breathing, like the dawn before the sun. Something holy moved among us. Love had not undone. Peace be with you, softly spoken through the walls we could not see. Christ is risen, fear is broken, light is come to set us free. Did not our hearts burn within us as your presence filled the room? Morning opened in the darkness, life has risen from the tomb.
Mary stood in quiet weeping, where the earth and heaven met. In her grief a name was spoken, love she never would forget. Through her tears the light was forming, through her loss the dawn appeared, and the voice she thought was silence called her name and drew her near.
Like a breath across the stillness, like the wind at break of day, stone was rolled and hearts awakened. Death itself had lost its way.
sheltering us all.
Peace be with you, now alive in us, not a distant memory. Christ is risen, hope is rising, like the tide upon the sea. Did not our hearts burn within us? Now we finally understand. You were walking in our weakness, holding every trembling hand. Where the nations shake in darkness, let your peace fall like the dawn. Where the voices cry for healing, let your quiet love be strong. Where the fear has closed the doorway, breathe again your holy light. Teach our hearts to rest in mercy, turn our sorrow into life. Let the wounded find their shelter, let the restless find